Hi, this is Roger Lahutsky with HomeSmart Realty serving the Sacramento metropolitan area. There are times when having a sign in front of your house and showing some photos in the MLS just isn't enough information to capture the beauty of your home or to help sell it. Some properties command more, especially if it's custom built or if it rests on a large lot where its unique features can be shown from a bird's eye view. This type of home could very well be an ideal candidate for drone, aerial, video, and/or photography. This is a sample of what you would expect if you were to list your property with me. I offer this additional service free to you as your listing agent. Please watch. There's a moment in everyone's life when we come to realize it's time for a change. We ask, what am I searching for? Will I ever find it? But somewhere during our journey amongst all the distractions and challenges of life, there lies in our imagination a majestic place, a little corner of the world that's peaceful and calms you, one that you know is perfect for you and your family, a home in an environment that reflects a lifestyle that you have always wanted and deserve because you've worked hard for it. Your little piece of paradise. And then one day, unexpectedly, bam, you find it. And after all these years of searching and dreaming, it's now achievable and within your grasp. And so you wonder, am I ready? Is it time? And because you recognize a good thing when you see it, you usually take action. So what's stopping you? What is preventing you from living the life on your own terms? And what is stopping you from going for it? The answer is nothing. Because we create our future by acting on our wishes and desires and aspirations, it is why, where you are today. Now, are you ready for your new life? Maybe it is time for a change. Live the dream. As you can see, dramatic aerial cinematographics can greatly impress a potential buyer by giving it excitement and sizzle. It allows them to gain a better understanding of the property and all it has to offer. It can also provide breathtaking views of the local area and the awesome community that surrounds it. This will undoubtedly attract more serious buyers to your property. As I said, all of this absolutely free to you when I list your property. If you're getting ready to sell your home or have any questions and would like a free evaluation, I can be reached at 916-747-5334. Thanks for watching.